So we're spinning, and it's doing a spin drain because we did not do anything as far as that goes. And as far as if that'll ever get fixed, probably not. But it's draining.
Too bad the world we live in, something like that couldn't be purchased within 24 hours. And then today's Wednesday, like a Friday morning, we could have done it.
Oh, I could look and maybe even have it in 2 days.
Yeah, but you said you got to drop the transmission?
Yeah.
I feel like well, that would just be putting it on its back, right?
Yes.
And if I'm doing this one, I should do the other one.
Yeah.
And then if I'm doing the other one, then I should change the brakes.
Yep.
And then if I change the brake, I should change these brakes.
No, these are good. These brakes are good. In fact, I'll stay rolling here.
This is crazy. This is what comes out in the basement?
Yes. Could you imagine that hose breaks? This is all going on your floor. Look at the concrete. Look how far. It's just going in this Italian rock garden. But yeah, it's still chooching.
This is what clears out the lines, huh?
Yeah.
So this is just water. Usually there's soap and shit.
Yes,
of the clothes.
yes. So now it's spinning and it's empty, but it's going to stop, which would then put it into spin. But you'll see how fast this thing is going to stop. It's insane.
Mine goes click, clunk.
With a piece of coax wire. Look at that.
Oh wow, yeah.
The click was good. The click is saying, get me into spin.
It's just louder because it's open.
Yes, but it's why it is doing a spin drain, I don't know.
Oh, right now?
Yeah, well, no. Now it's supposed to be spinning, but that clunk when it restarted is what you would normally hear when it would go and do that. So now we're spinning, and we'll let that do its thing. We'll let it refill for rinse. We're going to let it run the rinse cycle, let it spin out, do its spray rinses, all that great stuff, and let the final spin complete 100%. And once again, check for leaks. Everything, I went under there and felt it, bone fucking dry. I mean, that JB water well, man, that is some good shit. Hope that you never need to use it, but if you do, you'll probably end up with a successful repair. And my dishwasher's been holding up since, December now? December or January. Not any problem with it, so I'm very confident in that. And, it looks like it's doing the trick. We'll let it just finish out. There's the repair on the outside, underneath. Absolutely perfect. Hard as a rock. Maybe a little give, just barely, but it's otherwise there. Joe did a real nice job on that. He went like around that little fin there. Not a single drop. It is now agitated. Here's a shot once again from 2014 with Joe's original Kenmore machine, and you could see how much more rust there is underneath entirely. It's doing its rinse agitation. Everything is working great. Just for shits and grins, I put this on low speed agitation and low speed spin, just so we could see if it'll actually snap into, well actually I guess it wouldn't make a difference because it uses the high speed winding to drain. So theoretically it's probably gonna do a spin drain again, but we'll see when it's ready to go. Agitator dogs are working great. Absolutely. I've said time and time and time again, if you own one of these machines, repair it at any cost. They do not make these anymore and never will make them like this again. This is one of the absolute best washers you could ever own, and it was well worth any bit of repair, even a hokey repair like JB Water Weld. Okay, just stopped. Yes, it dropped right into spin. It's draining. Everything back here is fine. Yeah, that's alright. Well, we'll see how it does on low speed spin. We have no drips. I'll check that, but I don't think it's anything. No, everything is perfect. Just about out of water. There we go. And that's it. And we'll just let it do its thing, and then it should go for a low speed spin once it stops. Yes, there's your low speed spin. All right, good.
He ain't dead yet.
That's not right! Oh, see, now his hands are all smoking now. What the hell are you telling him to touch it for?
Pull the plug out.
He ain't dead yet.
So there it is, all back together. We cleaned it down. Everything's good, or as good as it'll get. There's a few little here and there. Back inside, perfect, nice. Little touch-up cleaning here and there to do, but everything is all back together, and it's going to go down to the basement. This is some rust, can't help that. And it's going to go next to its brother. They're different machines, even though they're the same like model and control panel. But it's going to go down there, and of course he has to do everything Italian. I said just put a Y on the hose, you know, on the existing thing, and then you can chooch each thing in. No. So he has to get his valves in there that are going to break and all that. So that'll be done later on, and maybe we'll do a double, a double wash like I do. We'll see in the future. Can't promise anything, but it's all back together and going downstairs and waiting for its hookup, which may be this weekend. Thank you very much for watching. Finally, it's fucking done. What a damn day. Oh, from the high to the low to the end of the show, and it's back on the road. Fix your old shit at any cost. Don't ever get rid of it. This is a perfect working machine, except for the spin drain and that, whatever, we'll work that out in time, but it otherwise is operational and is good. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.